have we found ourselves here again? Now, I did a video where I tried out the Manicurist Green Flash Gel Nail Kit. Example A here. And it did not go well for me. Spoiler! Having read the comments on that video and just having watched a few more videos from other creators using the same products, I think my issue may have been the lamp itself. So this is what I got sent, obviously with the power cable and everything, but it didn't have like a reflective bottom to it, which I think it should have done. So I bought a new lamp on Amazon. If this is any good, then I will have it linked in the description box. But I basically went for one that wasn't too expensive, but also wasn't super cheap. And this is actually an LED and UV lamp, just because I do have some polishes that are only UV cured and I didn't want to have to chuck them all out. So this is the new little bad boy, and it's so much bigger. You can put your whole hand in here, which I really like. This one of my problems with it was I was like, well, you can't get your whole hand in, so you have to do your thumb separately, and that is just a faff. So this lamp has the different timers, buttons on the top, so hopefully that means that it will be nice and easy to use. And again, I'm going to follow the instructions to the absolute letter, and we're gonna do this just a take two. Now, I don't normally do negative videos on my channel, and in fact I nearly didn't put up the video where I first tried this because I don't want my channel to be a negative space. That's just not what we're here to do at all. But this manicurist kit was expensive, and honestly I felt really sort of done and I didn't want anybody else to waste their money. So I'm going to be using the colour Pale Rose, which is basically a sheer kind of pinky white colour, which is not hugely exciting, I grant you, but I do prefer a more natural looking nail. First step is apply one very thin layer of Green Flash base coat, including the free edge of the nails, cure for 2 minutes, and then we will be back. So base coat is on, so now let's go to the colour. How many layers do they say to do? I'm trying to follow it exactly as I can because I do want to give it its best shot. But let's see, 2 layers. Okay, so cure each layer for 2 minutes. All right then. That's one layer of the Pale Rose. Like I said, it's basically sheer. It's just got a really light pinky tone to it. But that is the kind of shade that I do enjoy. So let's do layer number 2 and then top coat, and then we're done. 2 coats, both for 2 minutes each. So then apply 1 thin layer of Green Flash top coat, including the free edge of nails, blah blah blah. Cure for 3 minutes. Gosh, okay. I thought the whole point of getting an LED lamp was that these things were faster. But there we go. I will do as I'm told. Apologies for the lighting, it's just the most gloomy, awful day, so ring lights is all we've got. That is the finished result. It's still a bit tacky. So I think I'm gonna pop it under for another minute. But it is, actually no, it's hardening up. I'm gonna give it one more minute just to be safe, because I think I might have put the top layer a little bit thick. But like I say, it is getting a bit better. So one more minute. So I've given it another minute, and I think that's better. I'm gonna do the other hand off camera, and then I will report back. Ideally, it's gonna be longer than 2 or 3 days than it was last time. Well, I think last time it was literally less than 24 hours. So yes, hopefully it's gonna be longer than that. I love how it looks. It's pretty glossy. It's not like as glossy as normal gel, but it's a lot glossier than normal nail varnish. So that's this kind of difference. It's basically your nails, but better, this shade. I will get back to you in a few days to see how it wears this time. Hello friends. So it's been just over a week since I filmed the previous clip, and I took a little video of what my nails look like 3 days in on my phone, which I will overlay here. And as you can see, it did chip. And I know that there were a few suggestions that I hadn't really sealed off the edges of my nails properly, and I agree. However, I have to keep my nails very short for work. That makes it very difficult to seal off the edge, because you just get it all over your finger, and then you get that little lip, and then that peels off. So unless your nails are long, you can't really seal the edge cleanly. So if that's a requirement, I think that's a flaw. Okay, some positives, because otherwise I don't want to just drag this brand into the ground. I will say that I think the lamp was an issue. So this definitely worked better. So it cured a lot better. It wasn't tacky or sticky after I finished doing it. It actually felt really, really nice. It's definitely not high shine though. I would say it is shinier maybe than normal polish, but it's definitely not as shiny as like regular gel. So this is what my nails look like now. As you can see, they do have a nice glossy shine to them. I think that's a really nice effect. But you can see I've got a lot of chipping and peeling off, and it started to peel off from the top as well, so it's not just chipping from the bottom. But my right hand definitely suffered a little bit worse. As you can see, polish came off this nail completely, and that happened within 2 or 3 days. It just completely peeled off, and I really did follow their instructions to the letter. So I'm sorry to do such a negative video. And I'm sorry, Green Flash. I think what you're doing is really, really great. I just think the explanation of the gel is just wrong. It's very misleading, is my point, because if you are expecting this to last as long as regular gel, I mean, I know that some people have found this really worked for them, and honestly, I'm so pleased. If it has worked for you, then please crack on, enjoy it. I wish it had worked for me. I just don't think I'm going to be using this again. I've been burned too many times at this point. And I think for me, it takes the same amount of time to put on. In fact, it takes longer to put on, I think, than regular gel. Obviously, it's much, much easier to take off, and it doesn't damage your nails, which is great. So that's its main plus point, if you like. But I would argue that just regular nail polish will... It has the same effect. Maybe it's a little bit faster, because I suppose you cure it rather than waiting for it to dry, which obviously is a bit faffy. So if you are somebody that wants your regular nail polish kind of effect and lasting power, then I think this could be good. But for me, as somebody who is used to and likes having gels, then this is just not good. So I am now going to take this off, which is a really, really easy process. I think that is definitely the best thing about this, is how easy it is to take off. You just use your normal remover and it just comes off, which is great. I wanted to give this another shot. Like I say, the new lamp definitely helped. The old lamp was definitely an issue. I'm so sorry, I'm trying to find more nice things to say, but I just can't. Pigmentation's good of the polishes. Pigmentation is insane. Really, really, really good. So yes, so we'll finish it on that. But I am now actually going to do my nails in regular gel. I have a new regime to try, again with my new lamp, which should, apparently, each layer should cure in 30 seconds. So if you would like to see how that goes, then subscribe to my channel. Like I say, my videos are normally more cheery than this, and a little bit more positive, but I felt like I wanted to be honest. I didn't want to sugarcoat something if it's not good. So yes, I will see you guys in the next one. Have a lovely time wherever you are, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.